Welcome, weary travelers. You come here with tired bodies and minds heavy from the rush of the modern world. You search for miracles in laboratories, but you forget that the earth has been whispering its secrets beneath your feet for thousands of years. Today I will not speak of myself. I want to introduce you to a silent queen, a guardian of the East.
Thank you, Master Ginger. I am Perilla. To the world, I am purple gold, shiso, or simply a garnish on a plate. But few truly listen to the heartbeat within my veins.
Do not let her delicate beauty fool you. She is the perfect balance of yin and yang, the green of the earth and the purple of the heavens.
I carry the breath of autumn. My nature is warm but not scorching. My taste is spicy, yet filled with comfort. I am the bridge between food and medicine.
Tell them of your strength, Lady Perilla. Why has the East cherished you for centuries?
Inside every cell of mine lives rosmarinic acid, a fierce warrior against inflammation. When your body is on fire from stress and toxins, I am the cool stream that soothes the flames.
She is a shield for the lungs and the immune system. During the harshest winters, a cup of her tea is worth more than 1,000 words.
I cleanse the blood, support the liver, and brighten the skin from within. It is not magic. It is the wisdom of the leaf.
Watch closely. This is the most sacred moment, the intersection of the elements.
When my purple essence meets the purity of water and the zest of the sun, the lemon I transform. This ruby pink is not just for the eyes. It is the color of rising vitality.
With every sip, you are drinking the essence of the earth and the protection of nature. This is true alchemy.
Do not think of me as a drug. Think of me as a friend waiting in the garden, ready to heal.
The world will continue to spin fast, but you have the right to slow down. Feel the longevity flowing through your veins. Follow Lady Perilla and me to rediscover the forgotten wisdom. Live long, live mindfully, and always keep the fire within you alive.
Farewell for now. We will be waiting for you in the secret garden.